I'm here in the Ozark Mountains of Arkansas, where we took all native elements to make this terrarium. In order to set up a successful terrarium, I like using false bottoms. These false bottoms are made of small rocks. They hold water and prevent mold from occurring inside the terrarium. To separate the small rocks from the soil above, I use window screen mesh. Underneath all these leaves is nutrient-rich soil, which we will use as our base layer. Once the soil is in place, I will start arranging the terrarium by adding the biggest elements first. These ferns grow in the cracks of large rocks. I chose the smallest one, but it will likely outgrow this small terrarium. This area of the Ozark Mountains is full of different kinds of moss. When collecting from a large patch of moss, if it's possible, take from the center. Doing this will disrupt future growth the least. At this moment, disaster had come for me. Thankfully, the bottom was still intact and we were able to recover. On the hike back home, I found several other moss species. If you are able to identify any of these, please comment below and let us know what they are. If you're enjoying this project, please don't forget to subscribe. We make videos similar to this one every week. The next morning I found these small leaves and thought they looked nice on the bottom of the terrarium. After adding springtails and water, I sealed it up. YouTube thinks you'll like this video next. Let's see if they're right.